Alrighty, do our little garden tour here. Now we have another video coming up. We've harvested a bunch of these onions out. The ones we pulled them yesterday that the neck is broke over. When that happens, they quit growing. We've got them on the front porch. Everything's pretty much wrapping up. The cucumbers there. Now we've got some more cucumbers planted, but it'll be a racing time between the first frost and them. We let the grass get back up on there again. Here's the zucchinis. We're still getting some off there. The plants don't look all the best. Hello. Here's the toothache medicine. Daniel grew it this year. Then here's Carolyn's bee balm. Then we've got several tomatoes up through here and several of them there. This here's the parsley. There's the horehound. That was hard to germinate. Then here's the deal. Carolyn's harvested off a bunch of that there and dried it. And then here's the basil. That's some more deal, Shug?
Yep.
Calendula. And then there's some more tomatoes there. The reason Carolyn's got these red cups sitting in here, she's got a chicken that keeps getting out and getting in them. There's some of Carolyn's flowers. And here's some more tomatoes. Some lettuce down in there. And there you can see some more red cups. Tomato. Of course, we've got Dixie out here doing the inspection there. Here is our 3 elderberries. Knock on wood, they're doing good. The cucumbers here, they're starting to finish up. These was the English cucumbers, the great big long ones. Honestly, we got a bunch of cucumbers off of it this year, of those. And really, I don't know, we might, depending on if we go ahead with and have our little market stand, we may grow them again. But as far as taste wise, honestly, I like these little fellers down here a whole lot better. The little mini cucumbers. Get in here, maybe you can see one in there. That's actually just a little bit bigger and we can pick it. And then here you can see the tomatoes. We're still getting tomatoes off of those. And here's the peppers. Over here some more. But the cucumbers are pretty much wrapping up. And then over there, now in the weed patch over there, that is our pumpkin patch. And I've noticed several pumpkins in there. We need to get out here this afternoon and pick up these tomatoes. Some of them are starting to fall off even. And I need to keep an eye on this corn here. A lot of it's probably getting close to being ready. And then here is our yellow squash. It's produced great this year. There's several in there right now that we could go ahead and pick. Knock on wood, everything done great this year, except for another year of bad luck with the beans. But yeah, you can see down in there, there's several more coming on. But no, all in all, we've had a pretty good year. As you can tell, the weeds has done exceptionally well. But yeah, I need to, in the morning, first thing, come out here and start picking some corn. And then here, I'll try to raise you up so you can see the corn patch here. We got all the first up there. It was funny, we planted probably 3 weeks after, and this here caught up with that patch up there. As you can see, we've got some right here. Yeah, we've got some in there that's ready now. Alrighty, folks. Thank you for watching. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Stay safe. Lord willing, also please remember, keep Shelby in your prayers. I had a little update on her the other day there. And anything else you want to add, Shug? We'll be having some videos coming up of some other stuff there Carolyn's done. I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Like I said, I did show them the green peppers, didn't I? Alrighty. Folks, hope y'all have a blessed day and a blessed week. Stay safe. Lord willing, be seeing you Wednesday.
Down on the farm where the green grass grows, we're thankful for the love that everybody knows. It's another day under the white blue sky, with the sun shining bright and the time drifting by. Homans, Homestead, where the story unfolds, our hearts full of laughter and our memories go. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee. At Holmans Homestead, we're never alone. With every view and every share, you make this place home. From sunrise to sunset in fields so wide, with family and friends, we've nothing to hide. We're building our dreams one day at a time, with each gentle tune and each heartfelt rhyme. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee. At Holmans Homestead, we're never alone. With every view and every share, you make this place home. From sunrise to sunset in fields so wide, with family and friends, we've nothing to hide. We're building our dreams one day at a time, with each gentle tune and each heartfelt rhyme. So here's to the moments we all hold dear. With every new subscriber, we spread that cheer. In the heart of the homestead, love's always true. Thank you for being a part of our crew. So thank you for watching, we all hold dear. With every new subscriber, we spread that cheer. In the heart of the homestead, love's always true. Thank you for being a part of our crew. So thank you for watching.